Hello, and today I will show you how to make LED lights in Minecraft. This is a new thing that's come, but you have maybe... Hello, and today I will show you how to make LED lights in Minecraft. And I will show them how they work. You see here is a yellow one. We'll press this. Like this. And I can turn them on again. I will show you how to make these LED lights in Minecraft. So, in the new version, the caution just came out, and we have to use that one to make this. I will show you how to do it. So we will, first off, we will get a block, whatever block we can, whatever. We can use this grass block. And then we make a sign, like this. We put a sign here. Then we take the caution that we want, the, like the color. We want pink. So we will shift and place it over the sign like this. And then we will take a redstone lamp. And we will destroy this and quickly press the redstone lamp under here. But you see like it's a layer here. It means it worked. You were fast enough. So if I turn it on, you see it turns pink. So I'll show you again. We take a sign like this, and we take yellow this time. Pick this, and I destroy it, and I will place it quickly. So you like this. So this was a quick, easy tutorial. Hope you guys liked this one. If you have any questions, or if it don't work anymore, maybe this is a glitch in the new update. I will, if it's a glitch, I will put a video down in the description or in the comments on a new video how to make these LED lights in the newer version. So if it don't work anymore, please tell me in the comments and I will make a new version. Bye.